Hi, I'm hw7q7. Now I'm gonna do question 7 of homework 7. Let's see the question. Zt is the first part plus the second part, where theta is uniformly distributed in a range from 0 to 2 pi, and we are given that NYT and N2T are y-distance stationary, and NYT and N2T and theta are all independent. Let's see the first part. We need to find the mean of Zt. First, we are given that N1T and N2T are independent. That is, the mean of N1T will be hw1, and the mean of N2T, let it be hw2. They are all constants, so that the mean of Zt will be the mean of NYT times this part, first part, times cosine omega ct plus theta, then plus the second part, N2T sine omega ct plus theta. That is the mean of the first part. Plus the mean of the second part. Sorry. Theta is inside the mean function. Because they are independent, so the first part will be the mean of N1T times the mean of cosine omega ct plus theta. The second part is the mean of N2T times the mean of sine omega ct plus theta. That is hw1 times 1 divided by 2 pi, then iterate from 0 to 2 pi, cosine omega ct plus theta d theta, plus hw2, the same, from 0 to 2 pi, sine omega ct plus theta d theta. That's this part is 0. This part is also 0, so the results will be 0. Let's see the second question. We need to find Rz. We know that Rz T1 T2 is equals to E Z T1 Z T2. That's the mean of n 1t1 cosine omega ct1 plus theta, then plus n2t1 sine omega ct1 plus theta, times n1t2 cosine omega ct2 plus theta, and plus n2t2 sine omega ct2 plus theta. Which is the mean of first part times the first part, n1t1 cosine omega ct1 plus theta, and times n1t2 cosine omega ct2 plus theta, and plus the second part, the first part times the second part of the on right. So it's the mean of n1t1 cosine omega ct1 plus theta times n2t2 sine omega ct2 plus theta. Same as above, then plus the second part n2t1 cosine omega ct1 plus theta times n 1t2 cosine omega c. This part is sine, sorry. Omega ct2 times plus theta. Then plus the second part on left, which is n2t1 sine omega ct1 plus theta times n2t2 sine omega ct2 plus theta. The result will be after calculation, the result will be about 1/2 Rn1 half the mean 1 divided by 2 pi integral from 0 to 2 pi cosine omega ct1 plus t2 plus 2 theta d theta plus cosine omega c half, then plus half h1 h2 the same from 0 to 2 pi sine omega c t1 plus t2 plus 2 theta d theta. Then here is minus sine omega c half, then plus from 0 to 2 pi sine omega c times t1 plus t2, then plus 2 theta d theta. Here is plus sine omega c half. Last part will be minus Rn2 half times 1 divided by 2 pi integral from 0 to 2 pi cosine omega c times t1 plus t2 plus 2 theta d theta, then minus cosine omega c tau. The results will be Rn1 tau plus 2 tau, then times cosine omega c tau. This will be Rz tau. So that the T is also a wide sense stationary process. Let's see, the third question is find Rz0 if Rz0 it's easy to find Rz0 be 1/2 Rn10 plus Rn20, which is half of the mean of eta1 n1 t squared, then plus n2t squared. Okay.